Vriddhi Veg Finance presenting Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited IPO 2021. Dear investor, probably you know more about Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited because they are having a retail outlet into restaurant chain. Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited. Barbecue Nation was founded in the year of 2006 by one of our promoter. They are basically operating 138 outlet in India, 5 outlet in UAE, 1 outlet in Malaysia, and 1 outlet in Oman. It's basically casual dining chain in India. Barbecue Nation has a concept over table barbecue. Leave grills embedded on dining table, allowing guests to grill their own barbecue right at their table. They offer both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food at large amount on Indian cuisine, use seasonal customer preferences and introducing a new dishes. They are also popular into food festival at Barbecue Nation, offering a wide range of variety in the menus across India and international cuisines they offering. Barbecue Nation head office is based in Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. Barbecue Nation IPO detail. The IPO opening date is on 24th March 2021. IPO closing date is 26 March 2021. IPO issue type is book build issue IPO. Face value is 5 rupees per equity share. IPO price band between rupees 498 to rupees 500 per equity share. Market lot size is 30 shares. Minimum order quantity is 30 shares. Listing at NSE and BSE. IPO open date will be the 24th March. Closing date will be the 26th March 2021. Basis on allotment date is on the April 1st 2021. Initiation of refunds will happen on 5th April 2021. Credit of share to your demat account is the 6th April 2021. IPO listing will be happen on the 7th April 2021. We are giving Barbecue Nation Hospitality link where you can visit for franchises. Further information, barbecuenation.com franchises information. If you would like to work with them, they have a career portal tab where barbecuenation.com get career. Barbecuenation.corporate offers where multinational companies or small offices can go and take offer for business meetings. Even for you can go to the for functions related offers. They are having a lot of things on their website. You can visit on their websites and menu card. According to that, you can locate their store, locate their restaurant within your city. Barbecue Nation's investors, you can find their reports they have published about their balance sheet and all on their investor portal. Barbecue Nation retail outlet is into Abu Dhabi, Agra, Ahmedabad, Ambala, Amritsar, Aurangabad, Bareilly, Bhatinda, Belgaum, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chandigarh, Chennai, Coimbatore, Cuttack, Dehradun, Dimapur, Dubai, Durgapur, Erode, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Goa, Gorakhpur, Guntur, Gurugram, Guwahati, Hubli, Hyderabad, Indore, Jaipur, Jalandhar, Jammu, Jhansi, Kakinada, Kanpur, Kochi, Kolhapur. कोलकाता, कोटा, कोलालमपुर, लखनऊ, लुधियाना, मदुराई, मैंगलोर, मणिपाल, मीरठ, मोहाली, मुंबई, मस्कत, मैसूर, नागपुर, नासिक, नेल्लोर, न्यू दिल्ली, नोएडा, पानीपत, पटियाला, पाटना, पांडिचेरी, प्रयागराज, पुणे, रायपुर, राजकोट, रांची, सालेम, सिलीगुड़ी, सूरत, त्रिशूर, तिरुपति, तिरुपुर, तिरुचि, त्रिवेंद्रम, उदयपुर, वडोदरा, वाराणसी, वेल्लोर, विजयवाड़ा, विशाखापट्टनम and Zirakpur. Dear investors, Baba Ganeshan Hospitality IPO prediction we are giving over here. We are expecting this IPO get subscribe from 90% to 175% because there are like last week it happens that many IPO has came together. That's the reason investor is unable to understand which company is suitable for them. Henceforth, we are giving these expectations of subscription 90% to 175% because this is the only IPO. But last week whoever invested into the market and might they do not have the money to invest it, so that's the reason of subscription we given a rating less comparing to the last one, because last time we have given good amount of prediction according to the company strategy, but unfortunately it has been failed because there are 3 to 4 IPOs comes together. Okay, so investor had got confused or they are not understand how to target the company because money get locked by the company, blocked until they will release another IPO will get end. That's the reason we don't want to give a wrong subscription predictions. But this week this is the only Baba Ganeshan Hospitality IPO is for all retail investors, so retail investor can do their investment as per their expectations. Here are the promoters are Sayaji Hotel, Sayaji Housekeeping Services Limited, Kayum Damani, Rauf Damani and Suchitra Damani, where Kayum Damani is their founder as well as he is a promoter. Market risk on own decisions. So this is your decision whether you want to invest into this IPO or not. Thank you for subscribing Vriddhi Veg Finance and please comment on our comment box so we can understand who has watching our video has really like it. Just we are giving only this much portfolio of the company to our investors because balance sheet we are not explaining about their reports of balance sheet, basically what they have revenue in last 3 years. See, suppose you are unable to find the orders on the time, that's the reason you fail to get a revenue growth. Sometimes management change, sometimes management is in debit, but it's not happen every year. See, any company always think that they will do better in this year, they have a goal for this year, so according to that they publish the IPO or they take money from the investors. It depends on their own strategy where and how they can design it. Might they have want to give this IPO in the last year, but unfortunately due to some thing they are unable to do it because they can't prove it. So that's the reason we are not briefing about revenue model, what they had in the past, whether they are in debit, whether they are in credit. Balance sheet really shows that company is into the profit. I don't think so, because if you see India's all top companies are in debit. Why? Because they do revenue growth, they have the burden of employee, they have so many things to be managed. So the company which are not into debit might they are doing consistent business, but somewhere if you check all shares really goes from top to the bottom, and you can track those kind of company which are not in debit, they have lose investors money. So that's the reason we are not reading over here what is the revenue more they had in the past. So guys, if you like this video, let us know. If you like our prediction, please thumbs up to this video. We will give our new segment, that is grey market price, but in that case we will always update you GMP pricing, the final date of subscription of this IPO, because only this strategy can decide their pricing. So that's the reason keep track on our YouTube channel so that you can gain the profit as much as possible.